This bad boy?
Yeah, I should have turned it up.
Oh, you're on side?
Yeah. I thought you were gonna whoop me. I did whoop you. Oh, you got me, boys. You got me. Damn. The brand new High Country whipped up on the old 6.7. That's because I ain't turned the knob up on them. You hear that? You hear that? You hear that? What that? That's all the Eagles in there. I ain't had the Eagles out for him yet. I get him. He ain't trying to race the new Ford that, you notice that. He wanted to beat up on old Betsy with 150 on her. He wanted to beat up on old Betsy. Damn, Chase. What up? Today we're gonna do a quick, easy install video. Got an S&B air filter for my 2014 6.7 to F250. Should be a quick, easy install. I haven't changed the air filter on it since I got it. It's been a couple of years. So maybe it'll increase the fuel mileage a little bit. Maybe it won't. We'll see. So inside the S&B air filter box for a 2011 to 2016 Ford, get the polycarbonate sheet. Rubber seal. Some of the piping. Another rubber seal. Another rubber cap. A couple little rubber couplers, some hose clamps, some hardware. And you got the filter in the box itself. Should be pretty simple. Go outside and start removing this old one. Start by removing this old nasty thing. Ignore the wire job. I had a hack job do it. It's got to get changed soon. But move this bad boy. I'm gonna start by taking this off so I can see what bolts are in there. Loosen up that hose clamp. Should come right off. I probably could just get away with cleaning this, but that's alright. Now we got a couple bolts holding in this one right there. Unplug the sensor, take it out of our way. First thing you're going to do is prep your new one, put in all the seals, take your sensor out of your old one, put it in the new one, make sure you use all the gaskets and stuff they give you. Get your clamps on your new rubber boot. Get it all prepped up, that way when you put it in, all you got to do is just bolt it all in. We're almost done here. Pretty much assembled now. Filter in, hose clamps tight, sensor in, all the new gaskets, boot, and hose clamps on, all the seals in. Last thing to do is install it and then put the window and the window gasket on, and she'll be ready to go. Out with the old and with the new, boys. Good thing about this one is it comes pre-oiled, the filter, so you don't gotta oil or nothing. You just gotta pretty much install it. That's it. Yeah, I got her seated in there pretty well now. Most importantly, make sure it's sealed to your intake bed, which we are just about all the way there. Always put your hose clamps on to where you can reach them. Keep that in mind. We're sealed all the way around. Nice and tight on the hose clamps. Okay, that's on there real good. Like I said, that's the most important part. Nice and sealed up all the way around. Nice and tight. Oh. Just got a bolt to put in over here. Step right down there, right in there. Plug in the sensor back in. Put this window back on and we should be in business. Whew, that last bolt down there kicked my ass, but she's in. Now for the last thing, put this boot, or I mean this seal in the window in and fire her up. Nice tight fit, huh? Make sure you're... Oh, there she is. She's sealed. I will fire it up. I don't know why my camera keeps shutting off, but there she is. Easy install. Take her around the block real quick. I'm sure there's not no noticeable difference, but we'll see. I average like 10 miles per gallon. Reset it. No noticeable difference, but I'll do an updated video in the future on the fuel mileage and see if having a dirty air filter or a brand new one's any big deal or not. Like, subscribe for me. More diesel content coming. Peace.